In food and beverage, safety, shelf life, and taste are the three pillars of product quality. And one of the best ways to protect all three? Heat treatment. It's the science of using controlled heat to kill harmful microorganisms, extend shelf life, and preserve nutrition and flavor. Let's look at the main types. 1. Pasteurization, 63 to 75 degrees C for 30 min or 72 degrees for 15 sec. Used for milk, juices, egg. It kills pathogens but keeps nutrients and taste. Fun fact, named after Louis Pasteur. This simple process still protects millions daily. 2. Sterilization, 110-121 degrees for 15-30 minutes. Used in canned foods. It kills everything, even spores, giving years of shelf life. 3. Blanching, 85-100 degrees for 1 to 5 minutes. Used for vegetables before freezing. It stops enzyme spoilage so the color, texture, and vitamins stay fresh. 4. UHT processing, 135-150 degrees for just 2 to 5 seconds. Used in milk and juices. Kills all microorganisms but keeps flavor and shelf stability. No fridge needed. 5. Roasting, baking, cooking, 160-250 degrees. Used for bread, meats, nuts. It adds texture, aroma, and flavor, and ensures safety through full cooking.